Kadena just keeps growing and growing. One of the world's largest hardware wallet manufacturers, Ledger, has just added support for creating KDA accounts. We'll show you right now how to send and receive with the state-of-the-art in private key security. Start by updating the Ledger Live software to the latest version available. If you have firmware updates available for your Ledger device, you can apply them now too. Connect your device to your computer and unlock it. Then, in the Ledger Live, click on My Ledger and allow Ledger Manager on your device. On the app catalog, search for Kadena and install it. Once installation is complete, open the Kadena app on your device. Now, on your computer's browser, open transfer.chainweb.com. Go to Ledger Tools, Simple Transfer, Verify Ledger Account. You should see a pop-up to connect to the device. Click on its name, then on Connect. The page will update to show your new account address. To make sure it hasn't been tampered with, click on Verify. The Ledger device itself will show the address that it generated. Scroll forward and check that it's the same address as shown in the browser. If it is, select Confirm on the device. Now that you know the address is legitimate, you can copy it and make a test transaction. In Koala, open your KDA wallet and send a small amount to the Ledger's address. After the transaction confirms, you can open your Ledger's address on kdaexplorer.com. You can use our Explorer to track your balances between all chains. Now, let's send some KDA out of your Ledger device using the chain web page. Copy your Kadena address from Koala Wallet. On the browser, select the chain you're sending from, set the destination address and the chain that you want to send to. Choose the amount and press Sign with Ledger and Transfer. All of the transaction details will appear on your Ledger device. Scroll forward to review them. On the final step of signing, select Confirm. And that's it. When the transaction confirms, it will appear in your Koala Wallet. And that's how you send Kadena from your Ledger device, keeping your private keys secure at all times. Let Koala Wallet and Kadena take over the world, one device at a time. Feel free to check our channel for other video tutorials and have an awesome day.